Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install YouTube on your MacBook. There is one problem. If you open the App Store and try to find YouTube application, we will not find it. Here is the solution. First open the Safari browser, open the Google website. Next we need to install Google Chrome application, Google Chrome, and click on Download now. After you install the Google Chrome application, open it and here enter the YouTube website. Enter. After you open the YouTube website, click on three dots at the top right of the screen and select Install YouTube. Install app, yes, install. Now you have the YouTube application inside your MacBook. Let's check. Open the Launchpad and write YouTube. It's here. This means you can add the YouTube icon to your dock. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, see you next time.